from Karikar, we are going to Kochi. We are going by Indigo flight. We had our breakfast at the airport. This is our gate to Indigo flight. See, my grandparents are getting in. We enjoyed our flight journey. Now we have a ride. First we went to George Church. This is our tree house in the forest. Look at the beautiful house on the top. After taking rest, we went to a stream. We enjoyed over there. In the night, we had a campfire. We repaired barbecue, and then we had a dinner. There was a prayer camp too. In the morning, we visited Alfonsa Church. This is our jeep. Look at our off-road trip. We are inside the forest. This is the famous Kulamavu Dam. Then we went to a hilltop. We saw streams and the waterfalls. There were many viewpoints. We went another off-road trip. This is another viewpoint. We could hear lots of cricket sounds. So amazing. We enjoyed our stay in the resort.
Where are the babies? Come and see. 4 babies.
We had our next morning Kerala breakfast. This is the place where we stayed. The place was very serene. And it's time to go back home. Subscribe for more videos.